Hi, hello, and assalamu alaikum, friends. Today, my site is about governado.org. Here, we can tell about their how to buy their news updates, proof of existence, NFT launchpad, Muse Rio incubator. So, first of all, I request you to subscribe my channel, Dua Tech, and like and share their videos to your families and friends. They can also buy their legit token and hold them, stake them, and earn more and more. First of all, I tell you that governance as a service, Governado token, effective solution ensuring proper governance for blockchain projects in all sizes. Here is their contract address. You can check and you can copy them, and also can PancakeSwap, and it's also listed on Dex Exchange, CoinGecko, Uniswap, and Aragon, powered by its price is actual. You can check $2.58, and circulating supply you can check is 2 billions and millions. You can check their market cap. It is listed decentralized governance project by delegating ownership decisions to token holder. Blockchain project open an entirely new set of incentive participations. You can check their reduced founder liability and their aligned token holder interest. Who can buy this token and stake, hold them and stake, he can earn more and more profit in their life, and become rich. Ownership of capital raised pre-launch or otherwise can be attributed to token holders. This eliminates the possibility of founders running off the cash. Here we can scroll down. Governance as a service, you can check their bootstrap. We are a role model of community governance done right. You can learn more in click on them, and you can learn more and more. Pre-development, pre-deployment consulting, you can check and learn more, and also read about most about this website and their token. Our protocols offers several services as a part of governance as a service sandbox for any project to ensure their governance for model work. Why do we need DAO, need gas? Here is a complete details about why we this entire project we can place, and why we buy this token, how can you interest them, and how can you participate in. Here is the complete detail of poor pre-launch specification leading to failed governance, as pathetic token holders don't care to participate, and governance framework translate with low token circulations. Short-term speculators are misaligned and stakeholders. Here is a roadmap. You can check in first quarter. How you can check in first quarter. आप लोग first quarter. For in first quarter, you can check there is a GDO staking a Gleam campaign launch. GDO added to Vision app. Ocean granted awarded GDO listing, Refilama listing, and first Refi 100% claim airdrop. Most reliable and trustable token. You can buy them, and in quarter two, you can check their. Formalized business development, a launch of proof existence token, establishment of governance service, engagement of United States and staking mines closed, meeting with Ganas, and promotion of new wallet with affiliated tech. And next three in third quarter, you can check their investment into and restriction of DeFi platform, Gleam proof of existence campaign, SEO campaign launched, and all details of DAO ownership and NFT launch, and all details are here. You can check, and in quarter four, you can check their NFT proof of existence, govern and concepts. Governance deployment mainnet, and consult with NFT artists. All details for you can also find us their DXT and CoinGecko, Uniswap, their social medias are you can follow them, and all updates are here on Telegram, on Discord, and Twitter. You can here is liquidity mine and stake also present, and all the news updates in their statics, medium forum documentations are also present. Teamworks, contracts, and are all are there. When we click on their NFT launchpad, you can check their they said connect to the wallet. You can connect to the MetaMask and the Trust wallet also. Here connect after connecting wallet, you can see their pure token circulations and Pumpkin's NFT collections. Or now scroll down after, you can check their total supply and mending price, and dispenser closed, and OpenSA pending mint is. All our details are mentioned here. You can check which package you can buy. Also can is you are under Now we can click on buy GDAO. How to swap and how to buy GDAO. Import, you can click on import, select token from if you buy from Ethereum, from Ethereum to DGO, then you click on only 0.5 Ethereum and check how much 0.5 Ethereum only, and how much GDO you can buy. Only $2, only 860 GDOs you can buy. You can check here. You after connect your wallet, you can 0.25 Ethereum. After 5 Ethereum, you can check how much GDO will comes to you. We can check either 5, and you can see 20 Ethereums, $20, and 7,965 Ethereums you can buy. It's a legit project, legit site. I request you, I recommend you that you can buy this and earn from more and more, and also share their video, their links to your families and friends, that they also earn more and more about this project. Friends, this is my today video. I hope you like my video, and comment and subscribe my channel. Meet in next session. Okay, Allah Hafiz.